this is our adventure video. We are going on a bike ride today, currently right now. So, let's see what it looks like from the other side. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hey Lily, you want to ride in front of me? So we can see you. There's Lily, the star of the show. Lilypad Lily, Lilypad Lily, Lilypad Lily. And I'm PenGwen. PenGwen. I can't tell if the video is still going. I think it is. Oh yeah, it is. It's almost been a minute. What way are we going? Ooh, fun. Oh, this looks like a familiar street, huh, Lily?
Yeah.
Hey, maybe we'll see some other kids, like Billy and Kyle and Abby. Oh look, there's where Tulip lives over here. Oh look, I see Abby. Hi. Hi Abby, we're making a video on our bikes. We'll see if Billy and Kyle are out. Oh look, looks like this house is being sold. I guess, uh-oh.
Yeah? Yeah, it's cool. What? It's cool.
Oh look, here's our favorite person, Billy.
Billy.
Say hi, Billy.
Hi, Billy.
I wonder where Kyle could be.
Let's check around the block.
Billy, do you know where Kyle is?
Hi, Billy.
Oh,
So unhelpful.
hey, Lilypad, you want to go in front of me?
Sure. Which way do you want to turn? Let's go that way.
Let's do this.
Alright.
We're gonna have so much fun with this new camera. We just got a new camera.
It's awesome.
There's Lilypad.
Hello.
Yeah, so our new camera is really fun because it's actually pretty old, but we just found a micro SD card and we can finally film videos on it. We actually filmed one at the pool, but we didn't have our micro SD card in, so let's see who else we see up here. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Our tires are kind of flat. We're planning on heading home now to PenGwen's house. Keep going, Lilypad. We're almost there. We're going on this big uphill. Oh look, there's sprinklers. Let's ride through it. Woo! Ah! Woo! Yeah, that's it. Did you know we're gonna have more adventures than just this bike ride, Lilypad?
Yeah? Awesome.
Next time we might go in the car. We can make a whole series. Gonna be so excited. Oh look, I don't know if you can see, but there's a park up there. Sometimes, that's actually where we filmed our gangsters video. So, oh look, Billy's back.
Billy.
Time to head home. We're going down. You can go in front of me, Lilypad, if you want to, so we can all see you and your beautiful back. Woo! We're heading out to Penguin's house. Penguin's house. Well, this new camera is so fun. I'm so glad we got to do this. Come on, let's turn. We're almost there. Oh look, some nice cool shade. Oh look, there's an American flag. Right there.
Awesome, possum.
Oh, there's some kids playing over there. You can hear it.
Kyle's not over there.
I wonder where Kyle could be. He might even be inside. Oh, look! There's my house. The one with the gray Camry. And the basketball hoop. And the daffodils or lilies or whatever they're called. Thanks for coming to our first adventure. See you in a few next adventures.